Begin by grating 2 cups of zucchini. In a large mixing bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, followed by half a teaspoon of fine salt, 1.5 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Then whisk to combine the dry ingredients. Now, in another large mixing bowl, add 2 large eggs, followed by 1.5 cups of brown sugar. Then whisk the eggs and sugar. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 177 degrees Celsius. Once the eggs and sugar have been thoroughly combined, add half a cup of whole milk, followed by half a cup of vegetable oil and 1.5 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Continue whisking until combined. Then combine the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. Using a spatula, fold just until combined. Do not overmix. And before the batter is thoroughly combined, go ahead and add the 2 cups of grated zucchini, followed by half a cup of raisins. If you don't like raisins, you could do nuts, any nuts that you like, or nothing at all. Mix just until the ingredients are well incorporated. Then spray a loaf pan with non-stick cooking spray. Transfer the batter to the prepared pan. Give it a quick tap to remove any bubbles. Now, bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 55 minutes to 1 hour, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. And if everything goes according to plan, your zucchini bread would look like this. Ensure that your zucchini bread has been cooked all the way through by doing the toothpick test. Transfer to a wire rack and let it cool off. And once it has somewhat cooled off, you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, moist and delicious zucchini bread. Enjoy, buen provecho. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.
Yeah.